Welcome to Geeks for Geeks. Today we'll discuss an interesting method to generate binary numbers from 1 to n. Our problem statement is given a number n, write a function that generates and print all binary numbers with decimal values from 1 to n. For example, if the input is 2, then output will be 1, 1, 0. If input is 5, output will be 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. A simple method is to run a loop from 1 to n, called decimal to binary inside the loop. Following is an interesting method that uses queue data structure to print binary numbers. Create an empty queue of strings and queue first binary number 1 to queue. Now run a loop for generating and printing n binary numbers. Dequeue and print the front of queue. Append 0 at the end of front item and enqueue it. Append 1 at the end of front item and enqueue it. If you don't understand it right now, we'll discuss this in detail in the later part of this video. So let us see the C++ implementation of this problem and understand it by taking an example. In this generate binary function, int n is passed, which represent the number from 1 are needed to print in binary form. Here we will take queue of string. First of all, enqueue the first binary number. Now in this while loop, we'll pop the front element and print it. After that, we'll enqueue two string in the queue. First of all, we'll enqueue the front string. After appending 0 to the string, we'll enqueue it back. And again we'll enqueue the front string. But this time we'll append 1 instead of 0. We did this operation by storing the front element and then appending 0 and 1 respectively and pushing both string back to the queue. Similarly, now in this iteration we'll print 1 0 and we'll append 0 and 1 respectively and push back. So if n is 3, loop will run one more time and will print front element, that is 1 1, and push string with append 0 and 1. Thus this function prints binary number. Time complexity of this algorithm is O(n). Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.